In today's video, I am giving you 3 daily habits to transform your sex life, whether you're dealing with ED, PE, lack of confidence, even a sexless marriage. So if you want to skip ahead to the advice that is custom just for you, go ahead and look in the description, read the timestamps, and click to fast forward. If you have ever developed a new skill, whether that's cooking or learning how to ride a motorcycle or woodworking or whatever, you know that it takes practice daily. Practice, and sex is no different. Also, a lot of the coaching clients that I work with like to bite off more than they can chew, and that is why I love you. Y'all f***ing rock with how ambitious you are, but it can leave you getting frustrated when you can't keep up all billion new habits and things that you're trying to learn. So I have simplified, and I've come up with 3 habits that when done every day, or at least almost every day, hey, I'm human too, are guaranteed to show results in the bedroom. First up, 3 daily habits that will transform your erection. Habit number 1, cardio or walking for at least 30 minutes. Get that blood flowing so that it will have no problems flowing to your penis when it is time to have sex. Remember, at their core, erections are a cardiovascular event. Number 2, try your best to sleep at least 8 hours. Lack of sleep or bad sleep can lead to stress and sluggishness and can exacerbate a whole slew of physical and psychological problems. And if you snore, you may suffer from sleep apnea, which is a lack of oxygen while you sleep. And you need that oxygen so that your penis can get blood flow during sex. And number 3, develop a conscious relationship with your sexuality. And instead of using porn, use awareness of your body and your own arousal in order to masturbate. You see, porn is a diversion away from your actual body. It causes you to get into your brain and out into whatever video you're watching. It takes you out of your actual body. And this can be a huge problem for your erection. Be careful that you're not training yourself to only get hard when you're watching porn, and that you are able to get hard just on your own by turning yourself and your body on. Okay, next up, 3 daily habits that will transform premature ejaculation. And if you've been following me for a while now, you know I'm basically the premature ejaculation queen of the internet. And by basically, I mean 100%. So make sure that you are subscribed to this channel if you like anything I've said so far, and get ready for some knowledge. Number 1, only ever masturbate for more than 10 minutes. And if you feel like you have to let it go before 10 minutes, back off, bud. Just end the session. Come back again later until you can make it to 10 minutes. Don't shame yourself if you accidentally pop off around minute 6. It's not a problem, but aim for 10 minutes every single time. One of the main challenges with premature ejaculation is that when you're having solo sex, you're wanking as fast as possible. And then when you get into bed with a woman, your body is trained to boop as fast as possible. Number 2, visualize yourself lasting in bed with a woman. The more that you get your mind aligned with your penis, the more you'll be able to last. I have had clients who literally woke up with nightmares that they came too soon. Your brain is so powerful in recreating the thing that it's so used to doing and re-experiencing and imagining and visualizing everything going wrong. You have to train your brain. This is such an important step. You cannot skip it. And it's so fun. You can combine step number 1, masturbating for 10 minutes, with step number 2, visualizing yourself lasting all 10 minutes with your partner instead of porn. Really, really powerful. You are going to start to see results very quickly. Number 3, reverse Kegels. So Kegels, remember, when you squeeze and hold the muscles of your pelvic floor as if you were stopping the flow of urine, but reverse Kegels are when you do the opposite. You release, you relax, you inhale, and you allow your pelvic floor muscles to actually move down and away from your body towards your seat, as opposed to squeezing them up and in. Pro tip, while you're still getting used to how this feels, maybe empty out your bladder and bowels before you give it a go. 3 daily habits to transform your sex life, which is what we are all about here. Number 1, practice slow and steady breathing every day. This may sound so hokey to you. I'm okay with it sounding hokey as because it actually works. Breathing slowly and steadily helps your body to be present and helps make you more alert to sensation, which is key to being an epic lover in the sack. It will also help you to get in your partner's mind, to be more aware and attuned to what's going on with her, which ultimately, if you do nothing else except for attune to her needs, you'll be the best lover she's ever had. Well, maybe try to make her squirt. I don't know. Listen to the rest of the advice on this channel. Number 2, Kegels. They're not just for you. They're not just for premature ejaculation, and they're not just for women who have had babies. All of us can benefit from practicing Kegels. I mean, what is a Kegel except for a workout for your genitals? It draws fresh blood. It helps you to create a strong mind-body connection. It helps you to get deeper into the sensation that is going on between your legs. Win, 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 both for you and your partner. Now, Kegels are more than just simply squeezing and releasing the pelvic floor. I have several videos on Kegels on my channel. The more that you do them, the more education that you get on how to do them correctly, the more that you will get out of them. Also, you'll get stamina, flexibility, strength, dexterity. It is excellent. It is a wonderful and easy way to improve your sex life. And then number 3, this channel right here, my YouTube videos. I put out a new free video, always free to you, every single week on how to have a better sex life. I am a sex and relationship coach. I have a master's degree. I started a doctorate before I decided to quit academia and come and work with people one-on-one. My dream is that every single person who watches my channel have access to a better sex life without paying a single dollar. And I am so pleased to come to you every single week with a new video to help you do just that. So if you liked these tips, make sure that you like and subscribe, because there is so much more around here that I want to share with you. But that is enough for one day. This has been 3 daily tips to improve your sex life. Go put them to use. Come back in the comments and tell me how it worked. Mwah! Bye-bye.